Hello guys, welcome to day 136 of copywriting and it's about Asu. The last day was a pretty very good day because I earned $11.25 from one of my emails by running ads. And which platform it is, you can go and check it out. My newsletter, which is in the first link. So I use that platform to run ads on my newsletter. So when someone will click on that ads, I will get the I will get paid for the click, CPC, click per cost or something. So it's important because some also get converted, like if I'm selling some kind of stocks or some kind of copy thing. So if they will click on that copy thing, I will get paid. So that's one of the very good system by that platform. You can go and check it out. So it's a very good day because I earned first time. I never earned from my side because I invested so much. So that's the thing universe is giving me, and I think universe just started to giving me something. In the future it will be high and high by time. So last day when I came back to college after recording the video, I had my little bit of lunch, you can say, not lunch, the evening snacks. I ate that. Then after I 1 hour 2 hour, because I was so tired by driving, going to college, giving the exams, so I was fucking tired. I went to bed. And around 7 p.m. I woke up. My mom called me, my sister called me. I talked with them. Sorry for the background noise, guys, because I was doing it at the balcony and it's the sunset time. So I think it is the one of the best time to record the video. But you have to little bit listen to the background noises. So sorry for that. And it will be better by after 4 or 5 days. So don't worry. So I was talking about the 7 p.m. After 7 p.m., I worked on my only video editing. Video editing, social media engagement, and in the video editing part, I was doing for my main channel, which you will watch. I'm talking about this video. You can go and watch it after this video. Sorry. You guys know Tuk Tuk? Like, there's a most of my audience is from India, so they know Tuk Tuk. So that's the Tuk Tuk. Go everywhere from to take the people from one place to another place, point A to point B. So that's the good way of travel because it's one of the crowded city. So forget about the tuk tuk. I was editing my video, which takes me till 1 p.m. 1 a.m. I went to bed and woke up at around 9. Then I prepared myself for exam and I finished remaining work for the video editing part. Then I went to bus stop and I missed the bus just by 1 minute. Like some seconds. The bus is there and I missed the bus. Then again 30 minutes I wait for the another bus. Went to college, have exams, talked with people, and returned to here to my uncle's house and making the video. And when you will say when it comes to my personal branding work, recording the video, putting the description, then engaging with social media in threads especially, or when it comes to the call, there is no community call on the except Wednesday and Thursday. So there's no trouble right now to do that stuff. So today I will go to bed early. Then next day, and right now I will work again on the newsletter because last day at the morning time I worked on the newsletter. So after finishing this video, having the little bit of rest, not so much because I'm not that much tired as last day. So I will work on the newsletter, social media work, video part, and I will do all the work at my night time. And tomorrow morning I will study for exams, and will repeat the thing for the next 2 3 days. And the funny thing, okay, today the funny thing happened. Mostly in the bus. It's happened in the bus because there's a little bit of time I spent there, but in 20 25 minutes there's a story created. The thing is, I just said I didn't saw that. We know that, like me and my bro, we know that we are on the senior citizen seats. Then he said, and we said, okay, if someone will come, then let's see. We will get up. Then someone literally came and he didn't know it's a senior citizen set. Then he's there, and we too like feeling, bro, yeah, you're not doing good. And so, and from the both side, okay, that's what it is. Then the conductor comes and he said, hey, he's a senior citizen, let him. And I feel bad at that moment. So if I can do that, And also he was saying someone need to get up, but we are in confusion who will get up. But the conductor says, and I was at the nearer to the old guy, so I just get up and give him the seat. So yeah, it's always so. Next time when I will, it's happened with me a lot, because we think there's not an overcrowded bus, but after one or two stops, you don't know in which stop there's a lot of guy who will get into the bus. So it's all about the bus story. And as I said, I will less talk about copywriting in these days. So, and this channel is not only about copywriting, but it's about my life journaling, whatever I'm going through, whatever I'm working on my business. So right now I'm focusing on the personal branding, which is forever, every day, every moment, every situation. And the copywriting, it is on the break, because outreach is the thing which will get me the money, and the inbound leads is the thing which will get me the money. So inbound leads I'm working on and right now. Also I have to launch my digital product. So maybe today, if I will get the time, I will work on my, not digital, I will work on the Discord. So yeah, let's see what I will do, and yeah, see you in the day 137. And for now, Tara, bye bye, see ya. Make sure to watch this brand new video.